Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Instagram on a computer. Full tutorial. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer. You can be using Windows or Linux. You need to have access to an Instagram account. If you're not sure how to do that, go to my previous tutorials to see how that is to be done. Then come back and then I'll be showing you guys how to use Instagram on a computer, the full tutorial. So now we can go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to Instagram.com. We have a shortcut on the toolbar. We can click this. Make sure you're signed into the account. If you don't know how to do that, go to the previous tutorials to see how that is done. Then come back, and now we are ready to use Instagram.com, your account from a computer. So once you go to the homepage of Instagram, the first thing you see is the photos or videos or any of the posts that are being posted on your timeline. Go up, scroll through all the feed, everything you see. As you can see at the moment, I only have my own photos. That's because I am not following any other account. We can do that by going to the search box and then searching for a celebrity or whoever. Let's just search for Chelsea Football Club. Click on this, follow for the moment. And now Command R to refresh. And then we will see all the photos, videos, posts that they post to their account, all on the timeline. To like a photo, double tap the photo. To comment, click on comment. And then it redirects us to the page where we can now start to add a comment. I'll just say amazing. Post that. And then your comment shows up beneath or on the right hand side of the post. We can share this via mail, messages, airdrop, notes, reminders, or more. And that takes us to system preferences for us to add. We can save this to saved. And now that can be accessed later if required to. So that's for liking, commenting, sharing, and saving, all done from the computer. If an account posts a story, that shows up on the right hand side of the page. So we will search for some other accounts and then follow. And then see the story they have posted. If I click follow, go back to the home page, Command R to refresh, and now we see the stories which we click. Now you might be wondering, how did he pause the story? I've just clicked on the story. If I let go, the story continues on to the next story. If we go to the right hand top corner of the screen on Instagram, click on profile, and now we are sent directly to the profile. Click on the heart. We can see all the interactions such as likes, follows, comments. Go to the compass. We can discover, explore, and this takes us to the home page. Go back to the profile. And this is your profile on Instagram, as you would see on the mobile device, the tablet. It's all cross-platform. If I decrease the size of the web page, and now we can see Instagram as you would for mobile. Go to edit profile to change your description if you're required to. And this then allows you to change the name, the username, the website, the bio, add an email address, phone number, your gender, similar account suggestions. We can change password, connect applications and websites, email, SMS, push notifications, manage contacts, privacy and security, login activity, emails from Instagram. We can remove or delete or deactivate the account if required to. Go back to the profile. We can add stories to highlights if required to. We can delete the stories if we require to. If we needed to delete, we would delete. Go to posts. Everything you post will be within posts. If we have an IGTV account, go to the next tab. All your IGTV videos that are posted to your account are within IGTV. We can upload from the computer, believe it or not. From your account on Instagram, we can upload. That takes us to a new page, and then your video that you upload can be between 1 minute to 60 minutes, no more than 3.6 gig. Once that's done, we can use a cover, title, description, post a preview. When you do post a preview, you can see that on your Instagram page. We can post to IGTV. We can connect a Facebook page and post there if required to. Go back to your profile. Once you do post to IGTV, we can have a preview on the main page. So the profile, go to saved. Any photos and videos you have saved will always be in the saved section for later use. You can then access and see and like and comment and share the post with someone else. Go to tagged. Every time you are tagged in a photo, those photos are in the tagged section. And it says when people tag you in photos, they'll appear here. So posts, IGTV, saved, tagged, edit profile. If we click the wheel, we can change password, name tag, apps, websites, notifications, privacy and security, login activity, emails from Instagram, report a problem, log out or cancel. So that is a shortcut for edit profile. And now you may be wondering, how do you post a photo or video to your account? Because there is no option to do that from the website. Well, you can use Gramla. That uses the local host and you can post photos from there. Or we can minimize Safari, go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to Grids. And you know by now that I have created so many tutorials to show you how to use Instagram using the Grids application for Instagram. Go to your profile. If we need to post, go to the arrow that points towards the bottom of the screen. Add a new post, add a new story. When we post, we can add a photo. If we click on photo, change the aspect ratio of the photo if required to into a square. We can also post a video if required to, and then add a description, a title, tag people, share to social media, or from your computer. So let's just demonstrate. Add a new post. Change the aspect ratio. Write a caption if required to. This is just a test, so I may archive the post after it has been posted to Instagram. Computer science videos. Now if we click on share, this will be posted to my page. We will access Instagram.com from Safari to see what happens or what has happened. Minimize grids for the moment. Go to the dock, go to Safari, right click, reload the page, and now the post is on Instagram that we posted from the computer. From the Grids application, minimize Safari for the moment, go back to Grids, archive. After we right click, go to the archive section. We have stories and archive. We also have post archives. And there is the photo we posted and then archived. If we require to post a story, add new story, add a story, take the photo that's on the desktop and now send to your story. This is all from the computer. Done. Go to your home page, go to your profile, Command Alt to refresh once again, click on story, and now we have a story posted to Instagram from the computer using the application called Grids for Instagram. Minimize Grids for the moment. Go to your dock and then Safari, right click, reload the page, and now we have a story on our account. Now if we click on stories, the story posted from the computer is now on Instagram.com. You can access all this from your mobile phone, your tablet, posted from the computer, viewable on all devices. Quit Safari, go to the story, delete, yes, quick grids. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.